This is the reality of this planet. This is what we cannot see because they're controlling our mind. Look at these enormous tubes and structures on Earth. This is the proof that they are controlling our mind. How come we don't see this? I mean, this structure is the size of a continent, at least. Well, it's not the only one. Look, all the crap is everywhere. Tubes, enormous tubes. This is a freaking engineered planet, man. How in the world we cannot see this? Because they're controlling our mind. We cannot see because we don't see it. They're putting in our head shit that is not real. So we're living in something different. This is completely different. That right there. Look at those tubes. Look at that enormous straight tube that goes everywhere. Look at that. How we don't see that. We cannot see that. Look at this enormous structure. We just don't see it. That shit. And that tube straight up, and then look at, oh my goodness. That, my. Boy, they're manipulating, that's a reptile head right there. They're manipulating us so severely bad. And we think we're in the ocean, and we think we are this and that. Look at this shit. It has an hexagon. That's son of a gun, that's an hexagon. Look at these tubes. Ooh, from here to here, it's casting a shadow. There's something here that, oh my God. Look at that. There's two tubes. Where are all these things? How come we don't see it? Look, that's the North Pole, the entrance, right there. That's the North Pole entrance, right there. They had tilted, look at those tubes. Why can we see that this is the real deal? This is the planet. And all this enormous structure, look at that shit. And we don't see any of that. Look at that, one tube here, another here, and another one right there. How come we don't see this? Why? Because they're manipulating our head, our brain. All of us. Oh my God. Major manipulation is what we are into. Now this reality will really blow your mind apart. Look, another reptile head with a mouth open like a moray heel. Look at this shit right here, the spherical things. Oh boy. Now that's a problem for somebody that doesn't know. I've seen this picture before, but by the Clementine, exactly like it. Look at that enormous tube with a sphere on the top of it like an antenna. satellite view of Earth. Look at that. Enormous freaking cone. Look metallic and everything. And then there's this one right here. I mean, they are huge. Now look at that shit right there. Oh boy. Oh boy. You tell me that's the sky. But where in the world are these tubes that goes into the ground? Look at that enormous square, like a cube, with an entrance, a huge ass entrance. Check it out. Well, what the hell is this shit at? I mean, look at all this, I mean, this is incredible. Look at all the structures. I mean, they are enormous. These enormous tubes that goes from the top to the ground. I mean, this is not like they're floating above the planet. No, that shit is sticking from the ground up. Look at that. This enormous tube that goes straight and it branches out here. Then it had all these deals here. And look at this tube. It looks like a exhaust pipe right there. Look, a big ass eye right there with the pupil. That's the other eye. I'm sorry, this is the other eye right here with the pupil. And that's the mouth. It's like it has the head twisted this way. Look. I mean, we cannot see this deal. That is a severe control, mind control. A serious shit. Forget about that. What the humans are making. This is incredible. This is major. Look at that. Freaking face, we look, the two eyes, the snout, it look almost like a panther. Look, that's the head right there. In fact, let me make a drawing because people are not going to understand what I'm talking about. And choose black. Hexagonal. There's a tube here, and the other is now the other nostril, and that's the mouth. Then you have these two structures. I mean, this is incredible, man. mean, I had to take we don't have a prayer. At the end, we cannot fight these entities. There's no way. We don't have shit to fight something like that. Only pray to God. He sent His angels, and somehow they can kick their asses, but we cannot. We don't have nothing. Nothing. Now look at this entrance. I mean, if this doesn't convince you, you can't see worth of shit. Look at that cube with a huge entrance, and on top of that is some kind of cone, some conical triangular shit like a pyramid or some shit like that. Look at this. Yeah, columns and stuff. I mean, it's very elaborated. Then you have this tube here that does all this, and has a lot of elaborated stuff. And then you have this pyramidal deal here like that. They have something here. It's hard to. The picture is kind of shitty. Of course, it's come from NASA. You're not gonna get a damn crispy anything. Look at that. All the structure. That's the cube right there. Let's see if I can make it even bigger. There you go. There's the cube right there. You tell me, what in the hell is this? Look at that cube. It appeared to have a freaking eye or a face with tubes and shit. Look at that. The other part of the scenery. I mean, it is just amazing. We cannot, that's the cube right there. Look, it has a deal here, but it has like a one eye here, another eye here, and another, it looks like another pair of eyes down here, with tubes going like in a V shape right there. And then look at the size of the building. I mean, it's just like some enormous temple or some shit like that. Man, that temple had to be hundreds of miles each way and up, several miles up, because look, when I reduce the size of the image, look at the size of that thing.